In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a passkey on crypto. Com vertical bar setup passkey on crypto. Com. In here on your App Store or Play Store, first make sure that crypto.com app is updated to enjoy the latest features. Crypto.com, a passkey is part of the new security setup that replaces or works alongside traditional passwords and two-factor authentication to make logging in more secure and convenient. Instead of typing a password, a passkey uses your phone's built-in authentication, such as Face ID, fingerprint, or device PIN, to confirm your identity. Setting it up only takes a few moments once your app is updated. To create a passkey, start by opening the Crypto.com app and logging into your account as usual. Go to your profile or settings section and find the security menu. Inside, you should see the option for passkeys. When you tap on it, the app will guide you through enabling a passkey on your device. It will then prompt you to use your phone's biometric security, like a fingerprint scan or facial recognition, or ask you to confirm your device PIN. Once confirmed, the passkey is securely stored in your device's credential manager, such as iCloud Keychain on iOS or Google Password Manager on Android. From that point on, whenever you sign into Crypto.com on the same device, you won't need to type a password, you'll just approve the login with your fingerprint, face scan, or PIN. If you try to sign in on a new device, the app will ask you to create or link a new passkey there as well. Yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching this video.